This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Kerala, India's most literate district, which created world history by democratically electing the first communist government in the 50s, is now facing its 12th assembly election. In the last 25 years, the people here have adopted a seesaw form of electoral politics. That is, they have normally voted for change and rooted out whichever political ruling party is in power. With normally just a 2% difference between the winner and the loser, every time an election comes around, it's a battle of nerves for the ruling party. This time the government here in office is the CPM-led LDF. Will the story then be different this time? Politics is the art of the possible, and to find out the hopes and fears of the ruling party, let's go and meet the man in the hot seat. I'm standing in front of Cliff House, the official residence of the Kerala Chief Minister E.K. Nayanar. 83 and still going strong, like Sunil Gavaskar, Nayanar has been mopping up record after record. He's been the longest serving Chief Minister that Kerala has ever had. He's been in office for 10.5 years, right through his political career in different times. He is also the first LDF leader to actually complete a 5-year term in office, and he leads the party in this crucial assembly battle. We've invited ourselves to breakfast today with him, and he's warned me that it's going to be rather frugal.
You come on?
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Nayanar. How are you? Hello.
Getting
How
on.
are you? Fine. We're meeting after 96. You need lights.
Come on.
So, Mr. Nayanar, how are you feeling this morning?
Huh?
How are you feeling this morning?
Morning means every day I am.
Okay.
Like this 8:30. Take bath and other. Start the breakfast. That is 8:30.
I just said 83 and still going strong.
Huh?
I just said that you're 83 years old and still leading the party into an election.
That is never mind. 85 or 7 to Yodi Basu. And 85 our Surjit.
Right.
Now I am after past it 82. Huh?
Right.
That is old people are there.
So how many hours have you been campaigning?
How many hours in daily 3 meetings? 1 hour speech.
Okay.
Maximum 45, 50 or 60 maximum.
Right.
1 hour address. Today also you can see.
Yes.
Huh?
Don't you get tired?
Yes, I am usually not in the last 55 years I am
Yes.
continuing
Yes.
the political work.
I'm half your age and I get tired these days.
Yes, last
Right.
55 years I am continuing.
That's right. Yes.
The election work.
So, Mr. Nayanar, you're like Sunil Gavaskar. You've got a lot of records under your belt. Longest serving Chief Minister.
Yes, 10 years, 10 months. 2 months reduced. 10 years, 10 months. When
Right.
became Chief Minister. 1980 January, then 1981 October. They have defeated. Even the colleague, along with me, the colleague is opposition joined, A.K. Antony. He was with me. They joined opposition, we resigned. Then 87, 4 years, 1 year we resigned, went to election.
So, Mr. Nayanar, this ding-dong politics that goes on in Kerala, aren't you worried that you are the ruling party this time and it may be your turn to exit?
No worry, because once we were 2 seats in the assembly. Now we are majority. We convince the people. What is your policy? That is the main question, not individual issue. Why the Congress reduced it after 45 years? Because of its policy. Not Nehru's weakness, or Tilak, or Gandhi weakness, but it is reduced because of its policy. It is supported big guns, big monopolists in India, and landlords in India. Only in Kerala, we implemented new policy.
Mr. Nayanar, what is the one slogan that you're going to the people of Kerala with this time?
People's planning.
Development of Kerala.
Development of Kerala. That is our slogan. People's planning, last 5 years we are implementing. That is why Panchayat Municipal Corporation supported, people supported us. Out of 5 corporations we got 4. Now 3 lakhs votes we got more in Panchayat elections. Why? We in the plan, UDF government given 119 crores rupees. We have distributed 4,600 crores, irrespective of party politics. Now, Muslim League, Kerala Congress, all are in developmental activities.
The thing is that apparently in this Panchayat Raj system also, they say that it's only the left, those who support the left who are actually becoming beneficiaries of the money that is going down.
In the Panchayat system, Muslim League is the majority in Malappuram. Kerala Congress in Kottayam, Mani, all are in the Panchayat. All are getting money equally. We are dividing equally. Then everybody is swallowing. Our party is very firm to implement it. Other bourgeois parties, maybe some swallow. We are not responsible. We are giving money equally to 4,600 crores rupees we are. Even Antony's period 119 crores.